Jude. Yeah, so, alright, in response to your video, I love breakfast for dinner, I love breakfast for lunch, actually, I'm not a big fan of breakfast for breakfast all the time. I like pizza. Okay, so, oh yeah, I'm really sad that you got sick on PB&J because I pretty much love PB&J. And yeah, I don't like cold lunch meat either, really. I used to eat like a bunch of roast beef when I was in elementary school, and I got sick of that, and I've been eating some turkey lately, which is weird. I think that when we have fights, they're not like normal people fights. You know how, I wouldn't know. Don't normal people fight about like, you never do the dishes. All you do is sit there and play video games all day. And then the guy's like, you never do weird, inappropriate stuff. I don't know. But we fight about like, yeah, basically we just don't have normal people problems. If I could train in anything, what would I want to learn? I think I would want to learn the art of feng shui. I just think it could be useful. Hiccups. So when I get the hiccups, I get really warm, and then I get really grouchy and irritable, and I start yelling at people. Excuse me. And so, but I can get rid of the hiccups really fast. You want to watch? Okay. And they're gone. Okay, my question for you is, what is something you've always wanted to do, but you probably never will do? For me, on my bucket list is, like, meet Ellen DeGeneres. Or, I think I actually put see her in person because I thought that'd be more plausible, but I'll probably never do that. Or, like, meet Cat Stevens. Probably skydive. If there's something like that that you want to do, but probably won't do, you should just tell me about that. This video is, like, really freaking gay. I don't even think I'm gonna post this. Yeah, so, I love you, and I am going to go now.